Kick in the bass. Alright, we got the Quadra Sound from Hot Wheels 2005 first editions of the Blings set 5 of 10. So it's a cartooned, blinged out pickup truck. It's their own Mattel design apparently. But for me, it looks like a Dodge Ram pickup truck. One of those SRT type of things here. Definitely has the blingy wheels, and I like that it's got the side pipes, so this thing's running a V8 apparently, and then just blacked out windows, no interior. The headlights here, they're recessed and yet sticking out the little bumps, so that should be nice to paint. We have some speakers in the grille, so that's neat. We have also some ribbing here, top and bottom, painted black nicely. Fog lights there. Seem to have some yellow stripes, and unfortunately it looks a little weird because it's on this side of this bulge, so that wasn't good. Maybe it would have been better if they did not have stripes at all, because that definitely, it's just the wrong width, If you're gonna have stripes, make them much thinner than this surface here, or not at all. Well, anyways, this side we have the pipes here, the doors, panel gaps, no door handles. It is a custom pickup apparently. Shaved handles. Taillight area, it's hard to see being a red paint. So there's a tab holding the back, and it's now the license plate of the chrome base. The wing actually is nice, we have some air passing there. And then we got 5 speakers back here and some like radiators for the amps. So pretty cool for a fantasy vehicle. Loving those pipes there. And then it's so shiny, but it does tell you what it is. Quadra Sound. Okay. I'm not sure. I'm going to come up with some wacky wheels, I think, because this isn't even a real vehicle. But give me a moment. So these wheels were inspired by old equalizer displays where the bars go up and down, as the music plays. That's the intention with this one. These slots actually do pass air. You might be able to see a little light shining through on the back down around here. But I guess that's not so important. I did increase the tire diameter to fill in the gaps even further. And then I added a little bit of paint details here in the headlights. And possibly, I don't know if I did that or not, the grille. But some taillights and details. So not too much necessary because Hot Wheels did a lot of the work for me. Yeah. So let's take a look at a couple other vehicles here. So here we have a 1/64 scale Auto World of one of their C10 pickups. And you see some images behind. I'm going to guess, someone at Mattel there likes stereo trucks. When they go to car shows, you always see these sort of things running around, or a serious tailgater perhaps would have such a vehicle. This is a deformed car by RT. How would you say that? Is that cart or cart? KCART? It's weird. It's a very strange branding. Anyways, I don't even know what kind of truck that is. There aren't many pickup trucks in super deformed shape. So here's a Chorokyu, pretty much the standard of deformed vehicles. It's just an old Honda. I think it's like Honda TN360 or something. It doesn't say anywhere what it is on it, so I can't really tell you for sure. But I figure I'd pull it out just to show the different type of deformation Hot Wheels has going with. They got this low and longer look compared to Chorokyu, where it's taller and shorter. So it's kind of in between, the two flanking. Alright, well, let's take a spin on the show coaster since it's a show truck. Now look at this photograph I pulled up here. And the bed itself, and it's a red truck. I wouldn't be surprised if this photograph was inspiration to make this Quadra Sound. I mean, it looks like this is a Dodge pickup truck, but it's just based on the front fenders. And this kind of looks like a Dodge pickup truck, am I right? What do you guys think? So, anyways, well, they don't have the wing on it, so they took some liberties, of course. Well, it's an interesting one, this Quadra Sound. Being a fantasy car, it's alright. It was a cheap enough project, I gotta keep my 3D printer skills running here, so I hope you guys appreciate this video, and I'll see you in the next 3D project. Until then, keep the beats rolling. See ya.